All right, today I have a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan, and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the parking brake on this vehicle. All right, as you can see, I'm sitting in the vehicle with it parked. Okay, and before we get started, can you give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel? All right, as you can see, I'm sitting behind the steering wheel. What I'm going to do is I'm going to look down, and you see there's some pedals on the ground right here. There's pedal, gas, brake, and then there's a pedal right here. Do you see that? It says push to release. That's actually a parking brake. And what I'm going to do is to turn this on, I'm just going to take a foot. The car's already in park, okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to press this all the way down. It keeps on clicking, and the parking brake is applied. And the way you can tell is if you look up on the instrument panel, you see that it says brake. All right, let me zoom back out. The parking brake is engaged. All right, now to turn it off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back down here, and you see that parking brake pedal. I'm just going to go up to it again, and I'm going to press it in, and then it comes up just like that and releases. And in order to know that it's off, I'm just going to go back up here, and you see the parking brake light is off. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.